The poem is called I Dreamt I Was a Butterfly. I dreamt I was a butterfly, soaring skyward, fluttering without effort with the grace of an angel, hitching a ride on unseen thermal currents. The warm summer breeze, wafting the sweet aroma of nectar still to be gathered. I'm dancing among the intoxicating flower heads, nimbly prancing and pirouetting like a ballerina. My powder-coated wings, a symphony of vividly coloured creativity. Never sleeping, only resting, with wings folded as in prayer, quietly sheltering from my predators. Living life one day at a time. My short lifespan inevitably drawing to a close. Soon to soar and flutter no more. My legacy, my offspring already laid by me, waiting to hatch and complete their metamorphic life cycle. Just as I did. Dawn is now here. Time to emerge from my dream state slumber. My dreaming state often preferable to my woken reality.